Hey, welcome back to the Garden Rebel channel. Today we're going to work on a couple of things, odd and ends, to prepare for next year's growing season. Now, I'm in North Georgia, and our growing zone, believe it or not, this is the last part of November, and it's like 60 degrees, go figure. We're really not able to produce a lot of things after November when the first frost hits. Kind of kills out what fall crops we've got. So today we're actually going to build some gardening beds out of some used lumber that come from some shipping crates. I have a buddy that works in a shipping department at a local distribution center, and when they get the big crates in, he pretty much just takes them apart before disposing of them and brings me some of the wood. So Karen has asked for a couple of grow boxes for some things this springtime, some mints and things of that nature, and we're going to build a couple. Now, to complete the process is simple. Now, I've got a saw, which you can see is set up. You could use a hand saw or a skill saw, even a jigsaw to complete what I'm doing. We've got the wood, hammer, small tape, some nails, pencil. That's pretty much all we're going to need. And as you can tell, yep, it's no chipping box. That's it. It didn't cost us anything. And what we're going to do is split one of the boards in half, use those two for sides, and then I'll show you how we're going to complete everything. Okay? But first things first, I'm going to cut everything up, get it ready for assembly, and then we'll be right back. Alright. So we've got our wood cut the way we want it. I cut these 24 inches. I've got 4 pieces. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my ends first. This is going to be the end of our planter. I'm going to overlap it across the table board. About right here, 1 inch from my 2x4. Bottom and top. Simply going to take a nail. Check it again. Then we'll repeat it for the other side. Alright, there's our first end. Let's get this set down and get it started out here in the driveway. Simple process. That's what we're going to do. So let me get the sides attached. I'll show you how to do it, and I'll be right back. Okay. We've got all the pieces cut. Everything's put together. And it's not cost us anything so far to build this. And so this will fit flush with your sides. And right now, we're just going to stick one nail in it. Pull it up. Oh. Then we're going to do that around all 4 corners. But this is just a quick little way. Gigi, you don't want on the camera. my gardening partner. This is just one little quick way of building some boxes. They don't have to be a particular size. Whatever wood you've got. So, when all is said and done, this springtime, when we got our plants planted, and they're getting up to size, I'll be able to come in here and add another layer of wood to either add more dirt or for plant support. And it's a shipping crate. It was free. Gardening doesn't have to cost a lot. So let's get these right here nailed together. One nail in there. One down the bottom. I think it'll be plenty. Don't you, G? Gigi. Gigi. You look so enthused about it. It's a real simple process to complete. You don't have to have a lot of money. You don't have to have a lot of tools. Even if you go buy this stuff at a big box store, you're looking at 1 2x4, 8 foot long, a couple 8 foot 1x8s. This right here would be 3. You'd cut it in half, so you would need 3 8 foot 1x8s. You ain't got to worry about being real square, because it will serve its purpose. It's going to hold dirt with some great vegetables just for you and your family. Busted, but that's no big deal either. We'll take care of that in a second. It could be a potato bed, a squash bed, it's any kind of vegetable bed you want it to be. That's it right there. Okay? Now, if I go to the big box store, if I buy the materials to build this stuff, we're looking at 30 bucks max. You can use pressure treated, there's nothing wrong with that. But like I said, again, this is an old shipping crate that a buddy of mine gave me. And I also got more wood. One for an end on both sides, and then 2 sides. So it's going to be right on the money. And I got a dog over here eating leaves. What are you doing? But anyhow, that's it in a nutshell. That is a little cheap way to get your garden started. And this is plenty of room to grow really what you want to grow in. Pretty much anything you want to put out in the garden, you can put right here. Tomatoes, potatoes, If you want to plant a deep root crop, all we have to do is add another board. And it's pretty lightweight. I mean, I have no doubt that Karen can move this where she wants to move it to. You don't need any more than 2 nails in it. Don't go nail crazy. 2 nails will be plenty enough for it. Leave you a gap right here. That way in the fall time, you can come in, pry this board loose, and store them for the next year if you're wanting to change spots. So yep, a cheap, very cheap little garden box. So with that being said, it's about time to call it an evening. We'll get that moved this weekend. We'll go buy some potting soil after I fill it up with some more dirt. We'll do a video on that and get it ready for this springtime. If you're not a subscriber, please do so. Leave us a comment. Give us a question. I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. But right now, we're going to put our tools up, move this over to the side. We'll finish it this coming weekend. Hopefully, if we got the pretty weather like we do today. And hopefully by springtime, she'll be planting it. We just got to pick a spot out. And I know how my wife is. So it's going to take longer before we're going to put it. But anyhow, I'm the Garden Rebel, and I'm out of here. And I hope to see you again back down at the garden spot. Thanks for watching.